Hello, this is Jamal. Today, I want to cover an artist, a Sakara artist that was based in Lagos, well before I was born. His name is Muniru Akande. He called himself Muniru Singer. So the story went like this. When he went to go record his first EP plate cut, they asked him what's his name. And he says, my name is Muniru Olorin. So the European recorder guy asking Muniru Olorin, Muniru what? So singer. Muniru Olorin. So when you search the Yoruba music discography or archives, you probably will see him listed as Muniru Singer, with Singer as his last name. But his name is Muniru Akande. He works during the day as a chauffeur, as a driver at the Lagos General Hospital, which used to be near Tafawa Balewa Square. It used to be called Race Cross, pre-independence. That's where we had the General Hospital on Lagos Island. So he worked there during the day. And of course, then he moonlighted with his music. From his earlier work that I listened to, I think he may have done like Ayeke initially, trying to play Sakara with the hourglass drum, keri. But later on, from the good recording that I got, I noticed that he was later playing the Sakara Oronsha drum in it, with the Igba, the gauge, with the rings wear on their fingers and the beat in it. And he's good with his African violin, the goje. And he's also played some molo, which is string that it pick like a guitar. And it's also good with the flute. So I'm gonna, unlike my other clips that I've done, that I'll just tackle a song for a particular artist at a time. I'm just gonna try and do this in a compilation version. I'm just gonna play his song. They are pretty much short songs. They're less than 3 minutes each. But I'm just gonna do them in compilation. That way people are not searching all over on my playlist to find some of his work. That way it will be at one spot. So I'm gonna get into it. But the first song I picked was the song he sang about Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ àti Adédoyin. That's the title of the song. And like most Sakara artists, their work tends to be like historical stamp, historical documentation. In this song, he documented Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ and Adédoyin. And he talks about tax burial taxes, taxation levies on before people can bury the dead on the ground into the ground. Who is Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀? Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ is Ibiyinka Abubakar Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀. He was the first mayor elected of Lagos. In fact, he ran and defeated the Oba of Lagos, Adeniji Adele. So he became the mayor of Lagos in 1950, and he remained the mayor until 1953. There was something called the Macpherson Constitution Amendment, Macpherson Constitution of 1951, and that constitution, he merged Lagos Township, which was always administratively running by it separately from the Western region, which is predominantly Yoruba areas and other region of the Federation. This time, the Macpherson Constitution joined Lagos Township with, administratively joined it with the Western region. And that was in 1951, June 31st, 1951. Well, when they did that, they gave Lagos 5 representatives in that region to be sent to that Western region house. So Lagos had 5 representatives. And federally, they gave Lagos 2 representatives to represent Lagos in the Federal House of Assembly. Ibiyinka Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ was one, and Adedoyin was the other representative. Those are the 2 representatives in the federal government, in the Federal House of Assembly, representing Lagos. Interestingly enough, Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ was an NCNC. His father was one of the early NCNC founders. And proud of that, his dad was a member of the Ilu Committee on Lagos Island. So pretty much they were aligned with Herbert Macaulay Ejongboro. But when the Macpherson Constitution came into being, he went to the Assembly, to the National Assembly, to represent Lagos as one of the 2 individuals. So you hear the reference in the lyrics where another singer was saying, Ọlọ́run níbẹ̀ Adedoyin Ògèdèngbé gbogbo yín mo kí. And then he'll talk about the taxation, the burial taxation. Also in this song, he's going to say something. He used a line in it. He said, Afon kì í wọ̀ láì gbó. Afon kì í wọ̀ láì gbó. Meaning, Afon kì í wọ̀ láì gbó. The Alajobi also says, Èjì ni Afon wọ̀. Èjì the middle of the night, when the weather is, when it's dark and it'll be misty. What is afon? Afon is African breadfruit. It's big. It's as big as coconut. The trees were all over Lagos Island when I was growing up. And when you walk in, you kind of, as a kid, you kind of know that if this thing drop on my head, I don't have a chance. So when you're walking underneath it, you kind of like looking up and you quickly will walk past it. In the rural, they use it for the pounded yam because it's kind of like it's a yam flavor. So they call it Inyo Jaloke. Jaloke because that's what I live at the rural Yorubas, they'll call it Inyo Jaloke. So unlike Inyo that is made from the yam that were planted on the ground, into the ground. Okay, so let's roll with it. That's enough story about Afon. If it comes up in another situation now, I'll break it down for you guys. But I'm going to say, Afon ki wala igbo. The Yoruba also use it in the literary corpus as a prayer for a pregnant person, in the woman. I say, Afon ki wala igbo. Agbohun ìyá, agbohun ọmọ. Afon ki wala igbo. Agbohun ìyá, agbohun ọmọ. Where? Meaning both the pregnant mom and the new baby, we shall hear both of them in a joyful way, which is an affirmation that they both survive the odyssey of child labor. Because when the baby comes out alive, it will cry, wah, wah, wah. And the woman, she's exhausted, but she'll be breathing heavily, but she's happy she has a new baby. So when people greet her, she so let's hear it. Sorry. And one more thing. The tail end of the song, it talks about how the cultism, the traditional cult, were able to penetrate the Islamic congregation. You guys will hear it. Here we go. Adédoyin ògèdè ń gbé gbogbo yín mo kí ẹ ṣé o ẹ ṣé ẹ kú wàhálà Èkó kókà ọba jẹ́ kó jẹ wá àmì o kó dára fún wa kó tù kó bà kó dẹ̀rọ̀ tí lè àwọn gbowó kó là wá. A ò ní san owó orí lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́. A ò ní san owó òkú lẹ́kọ̀ọ́ mọ́ nítorí pé ẹni tí kú ti lọ. Èwo ni ká sanwó ká tó gbókù sí kòtò. Mo ká ìdákẹ́rin sì mú àdé pẹ́ o ọkọ gbé ìyàwó kan. So it's moved to another portion, another topic. kó fún aláṣọ ká fi rán fìlà mi ò ẹ ṣàmì gẹ́gẹ́ ọ̀rọ̀ àfọ̀n kí ń wọ̀ láì gbó kí Sakiratu gbó ọkùnrin àtọmọbìnrin fún láti sinmi Àrẹ̀mú níbo ni Lálárẹ̀mí àwọn fèrè wúrẹ́ jiyàn nìbàdàn ká tó fa háìmọ̀ mú Ìbàdàn. This is what I was telling you guys in my other clip. When they will sing about Ìbàdàn, àwọn fèrè wúrẹ́ jiyàn á fi aha mú ẹmu. Ìbàdàn láwà tí a gbé ewúrẹ́ jiyàn nìbàdàn láwà tí a gbé ń fa háàmù mẹ́mu tá a fẹ́ ń fa háàmù tí. So that's the low lyrics there that you guys could see. Then I follow it up with bámú bámú ni mo yó. Èmi ò mọ̀ bébí ń pọ̀ ọmọ ẹlòmíì o. A ó fi ewúrẹ́ jiyàn, a ó fa háàmù tí. Ọtí ìzẹ̀mú, the traditional palm wine. Now, hear what it says about the creeping of the cult into the religious congregation. Rosho ni baba mọ́mú Musitafa Adini ni Baba Ladani, Raimi ni Baba Ladani. So it's kind of like saying in a flimpy way, but that's what was going on at that snapshot window. The Islamic religion gained ground. It's really popular. The majority of Lagosians were. And as the Saros were populating the Olugbos and the Agudas were populating the Popo Agudas. But the core of Isaleko were the traditionalists or Muslim. But eventually, the traditionalists, they creep in and gradually snuck into the Islamic congregation. So it's been flippy with and kind of like snitching on that history there. Okay, so the next one of his song I'm going to do is, I'm going to start doing them, and you guys will see the lyrics, how they were later recycled. And a bunch of these lyrics were what he used as a young rooster to be able to crow. So he used a lot of Abibu Luaz lyrics. One thing I forgot to tell you guys that yes, his name is Muniru Singer, but the locals, they will call him Abibu Kekere. It's Abibu Kekere, Muniru Singer. So let's continue to hear the next of his song. This next one is sang for Murita Alabi Shola. Then he used the line, "Ta ló ń perí ẹ, àwa ò perí ẹ." Mi ò perí ẹ, Shola, ta ló ń perí ẹ. Tewúrẹ́ bá ṣu sílé, wọ́n gbọ́dọ̀ dárí jẹ ewúrẹ́. Ìjọba ṣu Tágùntàn bá ṣu sí yàrá, a gbọ́dọ̀ dáríjì àgùntàn. Because in the whole Yoruba household, there's no really door to lock the animals out. So the animal, they come in and out and cut through the rooms to get to the other side and all that. So in case if you're wondering, how is it possible that Ewúrẹ́ will choose Siyara or so they did? That's why. Olúwa bá fẹ́ kò ní rẹ̀ ìṣọ̀lá o. Mọ́tàlá ìmí ríta lábì. Ríta lábì. Ríta lábì. Ríta lábì. Bíbí ìṣọ̀lá abẹ́rẹ́ alọ́kànnà òkun tó dí tẹ́tẹ́ ìtẹ́ láwùjọ tẹ́tẹ́ ìtẹ́ láwùjọ ẹ̀fọ́ òní tẹ́lẹ̀ ìgbà mílì rẹ̀ àmì yé sàlámìyà. Salamiye, Salamiya. That's the Gunuko. So the next one is Bolaji Adisa. And this one is Gele Odunbi Kamowe. Go. Kura olúmọ olúyè aláwòrá ọmọ ẹjọ ìmọ̀ ta ọmọ tuntun kàmọ̀wé. Wòmí lójú abìdí rẹ̀ mi lójú abìdí rẹ̀ owó ní bá díẹ̀ méjèèjì o. Gòjé yẹn ni wọ́n láti bò mí lójú with this gòjé. So the next one is Isa Lucas. Ọmọ ni. Kásíọ̀ ọmọ ni. Síkírátù ọmọ ni. Táìmì. Lucas. Come on. Bàbá Bàrúwá dọ̀tí. Ayọ̀ tòrò mí. Yẹ́tì. Ayọ̀ tòrò mínímíní. Ìjọba jó Kásíọ̀ ní Síkírátù ọmọ rẹ̀ ni. The next song is going to be about Olubadan, the successful installation and dying of Olubadan of Ibadan. Bóyá ṣe jẹ ẹjẹ àfi sílẹ̀, ṣé jẹ ká fi sílẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ èyí náà èyí dẹ̀ lé. Within 6 months, they've installed 3 Olúbàdàn. Ẹ̀dá dúró. That Gbàtẹ́ Òbínú is now shift to another topic. Ó yàtọ̀ máa fi gègé lé ẹ̀yẹ ká gbáyà ọ̀lẹ. Fi gègé lé, we're gonna put a stop to it. They've taken multiple girlfriends of ours. Kò sóògùn o báyà. So the next one will be Mustapha Ọlọ́run Tógun. Àgbàtàn là ń gbọ̀lẹ. Mustapha Ọlọ́run tó Ọlọ́run tó gùn. Ọlọ́run tẹ́lẹ̀. Àlímọ́ ṣàdíyà. Àlímọ́ ṣàdíyà. You could hear the Igba now sounding. They're feeling more comfortable. Adija kubura. Kekaraun Alangbole Tabadasho mole Ashipalaro. Now the next one will be Ìyálóde Ìkòròdú. Má fi ìgbà kan lò wá ìgbà tí ò dáa. For those you Sagari guys, you'll have heard that lyrics before. Let's go. Ìyá Lókòlárọ̀ tó ń jẹ́ Samuel. Alókòlárọ̀ lọ́kọ́ dé gbọ́lá. Ìjẹ̀bú ni ẹ́, Ìjẹ̀bú ni ẹ́. Onírò ohun tó ju ẹ lọ, àtẹ̀gbélẹ́sẹ̀ ń tẹ ọ̀nà. Ẹ̀dá tó bá wọn bú Jẹ̀bú. Wọ́n ló sọ, àwọn lọ́ba mú gàrí wá. Ìgbà Ìjẹ̀bú ìlú gbà fún ẹ. Ẹ jẹ́ kí gàrí dọ̀pọ̀. Èwo tún ni tìró tó yìí ń lé. Ó láya mẹ́fà sókè pòpò. Ètò ní ló sọ ojú òtó níye. Sókè ooo. Ìgbà kan ló wá ìgbà tí yóò dá. Má fi ìgbà kan ló wá. Lọ́lúwa bá ń ṣeré. Ọmọ aráyé wá sí ìwò ìṣèkà ooo. Ẹ̀yin lẹ́kẹ́ tán ẹ̀kẹ́ já ẹgbẹ́ Quran dání. So the next one is going to be Ọlájídé Sùmọ́nù. In this one, he beat the drum from the beginning. The omele drum, they beat the steadiness. Omi gbókìjí ìkan ojú àjànàkú. Omi gbókìjí. Ìgbókìjì, 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 ìkànjẹ àjànàkú ìgbókìjì. Bẹ́ẹ̀. Ẹkùn àwírà o. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ gbẹgbẹ́ ìjọba o. Báyìí. Omele Ṣẹ́mi fáwọn Fàlílà dúró. Ìgbókìjì kan ìkó àjànàkú. Omi ìgbókìjì àjànàkú. Omi ìgbókìjì. Now they begin to feel their rhythm. Tàláyé Ṣẹ́mi Fàlílà Jalio. Now he's going to sing about Rashidi Afolabi. The Yorùbá is clean. Ìjà mi tán. Lóní yẹ̀yẹ́ lọ. Ìjà mi tán. Ìjà mi tán. Lóní yẹ̀yẹ́ lọ. Ìjà mi tán. Ṣọ̀tẹ̀ o. Now he's going to mention his name, his own name. Akande Miniru. Pedo. Adebenda. If I have to surmise, I would say Mimi may have played with this guy before Abibu snatched Mimi. But that last drum line, that last song, sounded like Mimi's handwriting. Saka apa oyin yóò sí o àlè ọlọ́kọ̀ tí yóò sí. jọ bí oyin làkì ọgbà o títí là ara ẹni ó gbà dé ọ̀rẹ́ mi gbogbo ẹ mo bu ẹ aláìsí rẹ ọ̀rẹ́ mi bàbá múlùtà. That's a Abib line, clean, recycled. So he's been using a lot of Abibuism. All these songs has been mostly Abib recycled. Mano mío, mo bẹ̀bẹ̀ jẹ́ kí n bá bàbá lọ. Saka embassy o Ajalale ọmọ koroso olówó nusura ojú mẹ́ni ọ̀wọ̀ ọmọ ọba ní ọba bá nípa ẹ̀jẹ̀ yẹn lọ. So now the next one, Yisa Lucas. Yisa. Ọmọ tó dá ló yẹ ni. Wọn kò ní gbé hàn. Yisa Lucas. Mudasi. Tí ó bá lọ́mọ máa fẹ́ lò mọ́ ẹ̀rọ sí lórí mọ́. Ẹ̀pàṣẹ yìí tí ẹ wá bá mú dájú rí. Ẹ wá bá mú dájú rí. Láì kọlẹ̀kùn tán lè wọlé alámùdá láì kọlẹ̀kùn. Àmùdá Allah ló lè mọ̀. Àmùdá Àdìsá. Aláwọn àtìgbín ẹrù ọ̀sán yìí ara yín lẹ dá lóró dájú bí ní káyọ̀ fún ọmọ tó dára ló yẹ ni. Another Abib recycle. Ṣéwù Afọlábí ò sí nílé wọn gúnyán ẹ kéré ò sí lọ́jà. Kì í ṣe òbí ni mí. Kì í ṣe òbí ni mí. ẹ kí ṣe òdìní mi. Ẹ kí ṣe òdìní mi. Ó sì nílẹ̀ ọgbìyàn ẹ kéré. Ó sì lọ́jà àwọn pàṣọ ẹ̀dá. Láyà kàmàrà nígbà. Ayé àkàmàrà ayé nípa ayé olópin. Ìrà o ká má fojú ọlá gbolẹ̀. Bímọ aṣẹ́wó sorí kodò dò ó ronú pohùn òbí mọ. Ẹni tó bá máa bímọ ò ní ṣe nonsense. Má bímọ kò máa ní ṣe náà. Òmèlè ẹni bá máa bímọ kò máa ní ṣe nonsense o. Ilé wọn gúnyán ẹ̀gẹ́rẹ́ ó sì lọ́jà wọn gbà sọ ẹ̀dá. Ara ya kàmàrà ayé ìgbà ayé ìlópin. Ọlágbólẹ̀ wá ìrà o. Òmèlè yóò ọlágbólẹ̀ kádọ́là ìrà o. Recycle. Kò sí ohun tuntun lábẹ́ ọ̀run. This is a better quality of his work that I have. Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ló ń ṣe. Lèádì Ọlọ́lájà. Lẹ́yìn kòkòlò. Koríko ọ̀nà kí n bẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ṣọ̀tá. Kí n bẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ṣọ̀tá. Mo ti túbá mo ṣe bá. Now he's playing the flute, the African flute. Who said to help me? Ebi ń pa mọ́jọ̀, onímọ̀jọ̀ pé mọ́jọ̀ jáde. Ebi ń pa mọ́jọ̀. Ebi ń pa mọ́jọ̀. It's a sexual innuendos, which she's craving. Then let's go. Ebi ń pa mọ́jọ̀. The next one, Àjàó Adédìran, mò ń pọ̀n. Ọlọ́run ẹnìkan jẹ́ nìkan lọ. Ẹ bá ṣe làwa ó ṣe o. Ẹ bá ṣe o. Ẹ bá ṣe làwa ó ṣe o. Ìgbìmọ̀ àwẹ̀ is it called? Ìgbìmọ̀ àwẹ̀ jáwọn ló nílẹ̀. Ẹ bá ṣe làwa ó ṣe o. Pa mí, ògbóni yóò pa mí ò bá kú, kúkú pa mí. Dáyé, Dàró Ṣàlámọ̀ ló lówó. Àjàó tẹ̀lé. Dàró Ṣàlámọ̀ ló lówó. Àjàó tẹ̀lé. Olóró ní ìgbàlẹ̀ olú. Jẹ̀dì bá lọ́kọ́ ìbá fàkìtàn ṣe nǹkan. Kárọ́jú kákú. Kàkàtà kọ̀bálẹ̀ fún kékeré. Kájọ́bù kákú. Now they've established now. So the next one, Olugbode, is kind of like similar to this one you just finished. Olugbode, Alamuweri, Olugbode, Alamuweri, Olugbode, Alamuweri. Ológun bàbá ta nílùú bàbá ta nílùú. Ẹnìkan ṣe àṣetì, ẹnìkejì ṣe àṣetì, ẹnìkẹsà ti Ọlọ́run kọyọ̀ akú, níbi bá fẹnu kọyọ̀ akú. Ẹnìkejì ṣe kàn rí ṣe, ẹnìkẹta ṣe kò rí ṣe, tí kì bá fẹ́ ń kọyọ̀ á kú. can see the confidence level of the drummer as it's growing. So this is the last track. It's called Olanrewaju Adedeji. Tẹ̀rẹ̀gún máa jà gúngún. Ọlọ́run ò ṣe bí ire ní ṣe. Gún ire. Gún ire. Tẹ̀rẹ̀gún máa jà gúngún. Tẹ̀rẹ̀gún máa jà gúngún. Ló dá ẹ láre Ọlárẹ̀wájú kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe iwájú máníjà mi o lóko ọkọ̀ yìí jẹ̀yàn mo wẹ́lẹ́kọ̀ lọ ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe. Balókè ló dá ẹ láre ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe. Níjà mi o. Ọmọ láre kó dọ́gba. Ìkan gbọ́dọ̀ ju kan. Ọmọ ọlọ́fà kan mo ní kó wọn àròrò ìkan máa create problem ìkan rẹ̀ iwájú ṣe bí fair judgment. Balókè ló dá ẹ láre Ọlárẹ̀wájú kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe Ọlárẹ̀wájú. Ọlárẹ̀wájú kì í ṣe mímọ̀ ṣe. That's it. His name is Muraino Akibami. Sorry, I'm getting carried away. His name is Muniru Akonde Singer. Leave comment. You guys stay blessed. Muniru Singer.